Another thing I want to talk about is another screen recording tool. I'm going to go run my Internet Explorer, double-clicking with my left mouse button. I'm going to kill my companion here by closing this window. And I'm going to type in, actually I just cut and pasted because I do spell this name wrong a lot, hyperonics.com. And this is a product called Hypercam. Very similar to the other two products we've looked at. I can click on here and I can download a demo. This is a little easier to use than the snagit products. And it's a lot smaller too, so it's just short and simple. I've clicked on it for download, and I want to save this, and I'll save it to my desktop by clicking the left mouse button on save. Takes just a couple of seconds to download, so I'm going to go in and close this, and this one will run in a demo mode too, so I'm going to set this up. Where do I want to install it to? That's fine. Create the directory, and it's finished. Again, very short, simple, easy to use program. Now I'm going to go to my program, Hypercam, and run Hypercam. Hypercam is not registered. That's fine. It'll allow me to demo or evaluate this product. Choose OK. And right here on the screen is I can set my screen area, and again we like 640 by 480, so we could type it in here if we want to. Or we could go in and select a region, and that'll allow me to basically draw on the screen. Let me do that again because I clicked a little prematurely, and it will show me 640 by 480. So I just click on it. Okay, and that's all set up. Do I want it to flash a rectangle when recording? Do I want it to show me the rectangle when paused? I don't need to have it flash that. Again, you can turn these on or off. Basically set it up to your own liking. I can click on, sometimes here I can use DirectX. All depends on your computer. If you're having trouble recording, you can try DirectX. Starting and stop recording of this product is F2. Again, you can change these if you want to. You just click on them and then you type in, so if I want it to be F2 and F4, or actually I can type them both in at the same time, F4. Again, I'm going to do a cancel because F2 is fine for me. But again, if the application I'm using, if I press an F2 in the application and it prints out, then I don't want to use F2. With this product, I want to change it. I can pan the capture area, similar to what the snagit product does, by typing that in. On my AVI file here, again, we like 5 as a minimum. Oops, if I could type. So 5 is a minimum. You can have it automatically selected, but again, we want everything to be consistent. So if the screen is set up to be 256 colors, we want you to record with RLE. If it's more than 256 colors, we'd like you to record with video 1. So right now my screen is set up for 256 colors. I'm just going to choose RLE. Everything else here is fine. This will add a sequential name to the file, so it's going to be clip 1, clip 2, clip 3, clip 4, whatever project I'm working on. I want to call it Hypercam with an M, and then it'll add a sequential name. I want to record my sound, so I want to turn that on. I can go into sound here, record sound. We like 16-bit and 11,000 cycles per second, or samples per second. Again, it's a fine quality. If you give us audio that needs a little bit of tweaking, we can tweak it. If you give us the worst quality, 8-bit, 8,000 cycles, we might not be able to fix the audio, and you might need to re-record that session. Other options, I can record my cursor, I can add starburst, so I can again change the colors when I'm clicking. I can have a mouse volume. I can put notes on there. Again, this is very similar to the Snagit product, except this is really small, easy to download, and just easier to use. Doesn't have as many features, which most of the time is sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. So again, download these, play around with them, see which one you like, purchase whatever one you like, and you can use that. And there's probably a couple of other ones. I know Microsoft makes one. It's free. It's included with the Windows Media products. Because it's free, it's a little bit harder to use. So we'd recommend spending the $30 or $40 and buying either Hypercam or Snagit. Again, this is unlicensed right now, so it'll probably, when I'm recording, have a little thing on there that said this is an unlicensed product. Okay, and then when I'm ready to go, I just start recording, and then I can pause, I can play it, I can edit it. Again, give it a try. Thank you very much.